Hi everyone. Let me just get rid of this. In my endeavour to try to get back into welding after over 40 years, yet another parcel from John Pembroke ended up on my doorstep this week. This is another heavy parcel. I bought a dirt cheapo deco welder from Amazon. It's an arc welder, stick welder, MMA welder, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to turn this off because it's the fan's running and it's too noisy. Right. Thank you. Anyway, I've got another extremely fragile parcel from John, who sent me some what he calls offcuts to have a play with when I actually managed to get out there and do a bit of welding. So let's give it a go and open it up. We know what John's parcels are like, they're not fragile. I have no idea what's in here. God, John, there's no stopping you, is there? Right, let's open this up and see what goodies he's presented me with this time. It's a Super Drug box, but I'm pretty sure there's not much in here from Super Drug. Oh my giddy aunt. Let me just put that bubble wrap out of the way. Right, what have we got here? We have got, looks like 1 inch angle, more angle, even more angle, some nice flat plate there, various thicknesses. Oh, blimey, it's truth, John. This is all going to be pretty good stuff for me to practice on. Oh, see you, Niffler. Oh, that's the cat come out the door. Bit more angle, bit more flat, bit of channel section. Oh, a wedding ring. Yeah, more angle. This is a pretty good selection, John. And to be honest, it's going to be all good stuff to actually practice welding on. And this, I mean, box section, well, channel section, that is beefy stuff. Good blimey. I'm not sure I'm going to get the welder up to that current to weld this stuff, but not to worry. Oh, hang about. We're not done yet. Oh my God. Oh. Now we've got plate steel as well. More plate steel. Looks like John's been practicing on it already. More plate. Oh, a bit more bar. More plate. And these are going to be wonderful to practice on, they really are. I'm hoping if the weather holds up I might be able to do a bit of welding practice today, but chances are, based on last week's performance or this week's performance, it's just going to rain again. As soon as the sun's gone over, it's going to throw it down with the rain again. But even more plate and another piece of plate, hang about, and a bit more bar. Well, that is brilliant. All I can say, John, is thank you very much for this lot. It really is appreciated. They might only be offcuts to you, but it's all stuff that I can actually practice a bit of welding on. I do have some long lengths of bar, about 30mm by 3mm thick myself, that I can practice on, but nevertheless, thank you for that selection.
If you only knew the power of the dark side.